Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram. Your account was compromised. So guys, if you have this type of problem when you open your Instagram or want to log in your Instagram, then I'll help you how to fix your problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after going back, you need to open any internet browser in your phone. And guys, I am opening my UC browser in this phone. And guys, after opening your internet browser, here you need to search Instagram. So guys, I am searching here Instagram. And guys, after searching, simply you need to open instagram.com, the first one link. So guys, you need to click on it, and after this wait for a few seconds. And guys, after opening it, you need to log in here your account. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply you need to click on login. And guys, after login, and after guys login, here you need to write your username, phone number, or email address, and here guys you need to write your password. And guys, if still having that problem, compromised account problem, then guys simply you need to click on forget password first. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys, after clicking on it, you need to wait. And guys, after this, here you need to write your username, phone number, or email address that your account was compromised. So guys, I am writing my username. And guys, after writing your username, simply you need to click on send login link. So guys, click on it. And guys, after this, you need to wait for next page opening. So guys, here you can see I having the option of confirm it's you to login. So guys, after this, you need to confirm that you are not robot. So guys, I am confirming it. So guys, here I am selecting the chimneys. So guys, here you can see this, and after this, guys, you need to click on verify. And guys, you can see I am not robot. And guys, after this, you need to click on next. And after clicking on next, here you can see we have sent an email to this Gmail. So guys, simply you need to open this Gmail. And guys, after opening your Gmail, then you will be able to receive an email from Instagram team. So guys, then you need to open that email. And in that email, so guys, you will find a link. Then guys, you need to click on that link, and that link will shift you password change tab. So guys, simply you need to change your Instagram password. And guys, after changing your password, you need to log in your Instagram with new password in Instagram app. So guys, by doing this method, you will be able to fix your compromised account. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.